So our motto is curvy by nature, sexy by choice. And to explain that motto, pretty much, when you're born into this world, you are who you are. And some of us are born an average size with a good body mass index, and some of us are born automatically and we're over the body mass index. And it's your choice to be sexy. Are you going to love what you have? Are you going to embrace what you have? Are you going to feel good about it, or are you going to feel bad about it? Are you going to allow society to dictate how you feel about yourself, or are you going to go against the grain and you're going to feel sexy? So you have a choice to be sexy, but some of us are born, we're curvy by nature, but it's your choice to be sexy.